Premium Luxury, Advanced Security Package, Driver Awareness Package, Heated Steering Wheel, All-Weather Floor Mats, Wheel Lock Package, Onstar 4G Wi-Fi Hotspot, Performance Front Bucket Seats, Remote Vehicle Start, Rear Camera Mirror with Streaming Video, Ultraview Power Sunroof, Wireless Charging, Heated Front Seats. This Cadillac CTS Sedan has a strong turbocharged gas V6 3.6 liters engine powering this automatic transmission. 420 horsepower, 313 kilowatts, at 5,750 revolutions per minute, 430 pounds-to-foot of torque, 583 Nm, at 3,500 to 4,500 revolutions per minute. V-Sport Premium Luxury Preferred Equipment Group includes standard equipment, transmission, 8-speed automatic, STD, LPO, premium all-weather floor mats. Drive your Cadillac CTS Sedan V-Sport Premium RWD in luxury with these packages. All-weather mat protection package includes premium all-weather floor mats, and premium all-weather cargo mat, jet black with jet black accents, full leather seats with carbon fiber trim, engine, 3.6 liters V6 twin-turbo DI, DOHC, VVT, engine block heater, Cadillac CUE information and media control system with embedded navigation AM/FM stereo with embedded navigation, 8 diagonal color information display, 3 USB ports, auxiliary input jack, natural voice recognition, phone integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability for compatible phone, collection and team driver, Black Raven, wireless charging, wipers, rain sense, wipers, front intermittent, windows, power with front and rear express up and down with passenger lockout feature, windows, laminated glass, rear door, windows, laminated glass, front side, wheels, 18x8.5, 45.7 centimeters by 21.6 centimeters, front, 18x9.5 rear, 45.7 centimeters by 24.1 centimeters, ultra bright machine finish alloy with after midnight painted pockets, wheel lugs, locking. Stop by today for a hassle-free deal on this must-own Cadillac CTS Sedan. Come see us at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3. Just minutes away.